The spirit of the Thrive event is to bring together business owners in the early education community. We're here to provide an opportunity for owners to meet others, to help brainstorm possibilities for their company, and to be as strong as possible.
Early childhood education is an industry where there's a lot of love and passion, but could use a dose of good financial health. And so I'm here to learn everything that they have to offer.
With the Hinge group of advisors, they give us the experience, the people that attend. Everybody is so eager to share information and to just help us all be better. So I love their model, which is about us, and they have a particular person assigned to just make us better owners, make us better in each area that we need for our business.
Kathy is such a bundle of positive, and she makes us better because she's like, don't lower your rates, you're worth it. So that encouragement allows me to take that energy back to my people.
It's been one of my favorite events to attend. I get so much knowledge out of it, and I make more money. So at the end of the day, that's my goal.
What's exciting about the Thrive Conference is the people that it attracts from all over the country that just want to come together and learn from each other and make meaningful connections.
If you want to sit down and discuss more about your finances, be able to look at a good plan and how to expand, then you want to go to Thrive.
Hinge is a wonderful group, and I think that translates really well, both at conferences and in just conversation. So a lot of people will come back and want to be a part of not just the information, they can provide unbelievable content, but also just the atmosphere that is created by being around the team.